What, like this?
Yeah.
Oh,
As good as I'm gonna get it. I'll get you on the other side.
Go ahead and sit up. So one thing you might be able to do is stretches for the hip flexor muscles. A lot of times if those are real tight, you'll have a problem when you go from a seated to a standing position.
okay.
And it will be a lot like what you described. You have to kind of hunch over and then slowly get upright, kind of thing.
Yeah.
So work on stretching the hip flexor muscles.
I do stretch.
Do you stretch the hip flexor muscles?
Where is that?
Okay, so
I mean, that's like everything, no?
No,
the
it's in the
iliacus and the
front.
psoas?
Huh?
The iliacus and the psoas?
No.
Okay. So you stretch them like this. You get here like
Oh,
this.
yeah, I get that.
You lean forward like that.
Yeah. I do those.
You want him to check your mid back too, since you're here?
Yeah, you gotta adjust it. Why not?
Was Dr. Kurt, was he able to adjust your neck too?
Go ahead and lie on your stomach one more time. Take a breath in. Exhale all the way. One more time, breath in. Exhale all the way. Guess I'll get that one. I got that one. Okay, go ahead and hop up when you're ready.
On the chair, so halfway sitting,
Yeah.
and then bend your knees like this, just slightly about this great. And then you're gonna reach for your toes, toe touch, don't grab your toes, just reach as far as you can without hurting yourself. And come down and we're gonna do 5, so we're gonna count to 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, we'll do 20. Come back up, grab your knees as you come up. Sit for this, and then put your hands to your sides. And you're gonna slowly arch your back real slowly and look at the ceiling and count to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come back to normal. Just kind of let it sit. You can maybe move around like this a little bit, get the movement in there. So the idea is to come all the way down as far as you can safely without hurting yourself. And gradually you'll be able to come down to your toes like I can now. And then go ahead and do that one, and we'll do one more, and I'm gonna show you, if somebody assists you, okay, tell me when to stop pushing. Tell me when to stop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Grab your knees when you come up. Then come to the side. Hands to the side. Slowly arch the back. Look at the ceiling. Don't arch hard, just a little bit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Back to normal. And then I just like to move like this a little bit, just to.
I mean, that was a good stretch. Sitting down.
Right, and you can do it anywhere. And when you stretch, you're stretching the hams, the calves, the glutes, the low back, the L5, the thoracic.
I felt that on the lower
Right,
body.
right.